Hello, good morning. We are now in this video, we are going to discuss exercise 11.1. We already published question number 1, and this is question number 2. So in this question, what they are saying, the number of letters in hundreds. Actually here 35 they mentioned, that means 3500 and 70 100 and 3600, like that. In a certain city of each day per week is given as follows. So we will first create a table for this. Let's do that. First column will be day, and next number of letters, in hundreds. Next, he said 3 years moving average. 3 years moving average. So 3 years moving total. Next 3 years moving average. Okay. So first we will draw day 1. Okay. This is day 1. Day 1 they mentioned 35. Okay, there is no moving total and moving average because 3 values are needed. And 2, this is 70. And for 3, third day, 36. So we can create now 3 years, 3 values moving total. So how much is 35 plus 70 plus 36? 35, 36 is 71. 71 plus 70 is 141. And we should divide with 1 by 3 to get the average. 141 by 3. 4 3s are 12. 3 7s are 21. So 47. Next 4. 4 is 59. Okay, this round this number, first value, because we have first 3 years moving average. So round the first value. Next, find out. So it should be quite coincides with this second value. Okay. So 36. So 70, 36, and 59. 70 plus 36 is 106. 106, 59. 6 plus 9, 15. 6, 165. 165. And now average 165 by 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Next, day 5. After 59, 62. So round the second number. And next, take 3 values. Make total 36 plus 59. 36, 59 is 15, 95, 95 and 62, 7. This is 15, 157. Next, we will divide by 3. So 157 by 3 equal to 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6. One value will be 1.33. Round the third number. And sixth value 60. Okay, this should be coincides with this number. So take the next 3 values, sum them, all those values. 59 plus 62, 11 and 12, and 60, 181. And we will divide by 1 by 3. So 181 by 3. 181 by 3. (181 by 3). 6 3s are 18. One value is 63. 63 will be raising value, right? 60 point. 60.33. Next 7. So round the next value. This is 71. So 62 plus 60. 122 plus 71. 193. And now divided by 3. 193 by 3. 6 3s are 18. 4 3s are 12. 0.1 left, 0.33. So this is moving average values. Okay, you should do the rough work. Okay. This is the table. Finish the table. Join the surrounding values, surrounding sites. You should not leave like this. Okay. Next, we will draw the graph for this. Whether he is asking the graph or not asking, we should must draw the graph. So first value days will be on x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 days. And values are 35, 70, 36. So what should be taken? 35, 70, 36. Okay, you can take 10 average. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. The first number is 35. This is what 35. And next 270. And next third value 36. So try to join these values. Don't use pen scale. Join with pencil sharply. And 59. 62. 60, 71. So this is original data, which is bold original data. And you should draw this original data with a black ink and use pencil for moving average values. For 447. For 247. And next to 55. Join with dotted lines. 52.33. 68, 60.33. 64.33. So this is called a moving average or trend line. Okay.